Look, I don't know what's happening in the back, and honestly, that's absolutely none of my business.
It's me, Bianca. Huh?
I'm just gonna go with my roots first, whatever. Okay, I can't find the foil because if you didn't know, our house got flooded and everything is misplaced, and finally they're gonna start renovations next week, but yeah, I don't know where it is, so fuck it. It's 1 and 2. So basically, if you have 2 ounces of 2 ounces of hair color, then you need 4 ounces of developer. So, oh God, that was too much. Okay, so let me just do 2 ounces. Wow, that was perfectly 2 ounces. 2 ounces of that. And then I'm gonna mix in a little bit, or not all of this, a little bit of this. And then this copper from L'Oreal. And I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. And I'm mixing it with a little bit of the Arctic Fox Wrath. And the Arctic Fox, like I said, are not like, it's not to mix with develop. I mean, I don't think it's gonna do anything. This is what happens when I get bored. But I just thought, what if it turns out like super red? Like not even red, like orange. Because I have red hair. Why didn't I think of that before? Like, look at the color it's turning into. Now I want it to be like more of an auburn red. You know what I mean? Copper red. And you gotta mix this up like a really good. I'm doing it in a paper plate. Real dumb, I know. We don't have a kitchen right now because our shit is, because our water heater leaked and ruined the entire front of our house. So we don't have a kitchen right now until they come and do reconstruction. So we can't wash dishes. So yeah, we're like stuck with like paper plates and shit. It's so annoying. I am so sick of air fryer food, and I have a knee injury, so I haven't been able to work out. It's just been super fun over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with my roots. Oh my God, I'm scared. Whatever, dude. Do you ever like just have those moments where you're just like, I don't care? I don't know, like I do and I don't, you know? I don't know. Normally what I do is I have the red, I mix red and magenta. But today I'm just wanting to do something different. I don't really care how it turns out. Like it could turn out really cute. I was afraid of it burning because last time I did my hair, it burned so bad. But you know what? Maybe I just put in too much developer. Probably was it, honestly. I'm not even kidding. When it burned, it like burned. I couldn't even take it. It was hurting so bad. But you guys saw my video. That was the last time I dyed my hair. If you remember, if you watched my last one. Bitch, I'm doing this so ass backwards. Like for real. Oh my God, I'm even trying. Probably should not be dyeing my hair when I'm in a bad mood. I look like I'm like, I don't give a fuck, whatever. You know? That color looks so scary on my plate. Hairdressers are probably like, what the fuck is she doing? I'm not caring is what I'm doing. Oops. Oh shit, I forgot to put coconut oil down. Thick. Oh. My bangs are up. I should have got. But I'm bangs are up. Shit, I wanted to pink. Okay, so it's gonna be hard enough. It's gonna be so hard to do without having oil. I should just do things first. I just have to laugh at myself because, like, I'm really just not given any fucks. If I went to a hairdresser right now, like after this, they'd be like, who's done your hair? And I'd be like, me. So the cool thing is it's actually not burning at all. And what I was so afraid of is last time when I dyed my hair, it burned so bad. And usually that means that you're growing like some sort of allergic reaction to like the chemicals like PPD or whatever. So that's why I bought the Arctic Fox to begin with. And otherwise I would have just gone with my normal routine, which is the L'Oreal High Color Red and Magenta. But I did want to try copper anyways. However, I read on this like Reddit thread, it was so like, I guess this lady, she ended up dyeing her hair and her head was stinging so bad and it was burning, and she let it sit for too long when it was burning and she ended up dying in the shower. Obviously, if after the first little strand it was burning really bad, I wouldn't have continued, but we're fine. I think we're fine. I'm feeling fine. I don't have any burning sensations. And like last time it burned so bad to like the first touch. And like it was so painful that I could not keep it in for very long, which I'm glad I didn't. And I immediately washed it out. I don't have that problem now at all. I don't have any burning. I ain't complaining. So I'm just making sure like all of my roots are coated. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just kind of gonna loosely go over like the ends with the rest of this. I'm not a fucking professional bitch. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna look, I don't know what's happening in the back, and honestly, that's absolutely none of my business. All right, I'm gonna leave this on. Probably, I'll keep this in for 30. See you then. It's been a half hour. Whatever. Okay, hey. So this is the color, how it's looking. It actually looks really pretty, but the pink obviously didn't take. So I am mixing a little bit of bleach, a little bit of developer, and I'm just gonna bleach my bangs, and then I'm gonna add the pink. Because clearly that, I'm telling you, it's just, you know, like obviously that dye is not gonna work unless your hair was already bleached, you know? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. I really wish that my friend Valeria answered her call because I wanted to ask her about this. I'm scared, bitch. The little money pieces, you know? Okay, while I'm waiting for that to process, since I'm only gonna wash like the front of my head, I'm just gonna blow dry the rest of this in the meantime, just so I don't have to kill time again. hair is so soft. I use the Redken Acidic Gloss Hair Protectant. Also use this concentrate. I definitely put that in my hair. It's a leave-in treatment. Go watch. Now I'm gonna go wash this out. Oh my god, I need to leave it on for longer. That was so dumb. Now I cook. I'm gonna actually set a timer for 25-30 minutes. It is really not lightening up that much. Like, it's literally only lightening up at the roots. And it's been 30 minutes. But like, seeing this blonde, it's making me want to go back blonde. Like, look how pretty that. I feel like blonde and like lighter hair goes so good with my complexion. Anyways, I don't really want to wait any longer. It's been like 30 minutes. I think I'm just gonna wash it out and then put pink on it and see what happens. Whatever. All right, so yeah, I mean, didn't really lighten that much. Whatever. Fucking orange. Okay. Okay, now time for pink. Do a little bit of this red because I don't want it to be too bright pink, and then this pink. So I want it to be like a dark pink. Oh fuck, forgot to put on another glove. Oh my god, so dumb. Whatever. So it's clearly not pink. It came out super bright, which I should have known because like this little piece here, like that's the color it was gonna come out. I don't know. I think I like knew that. I just was in denial or just hoping that it was gonna come out bright or dark pink. I wanted it to be like magenta, fuchsia, like pink, not like hot. This is like hot red, you know? Anyways, so what I'm gonna do this morning is I'm gonna take that Arctic Fox in Wrath and I'm just gonna go over it so that it can just, I'm assuming it's just gonna match this. Honestly, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because I really don't like this. It's so funny because like I can see the difference in this color from the color that I had before. It was more of a cherry red, and I think this is like more of a copper red, but Edwin literally does not. He's like, it looks the same. Men are so funny. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this over and pray that it turns out good. Minutes. I'm gonna let this sit for 30. It's still really bright. but it's not as bright. Can you see a difference? Like, I can see a difference. It's not as like red hot. It's not like as orange red hot, you know? It's more just like red. It's not this color. There is a difference, which I don't mind that. I think that's kind of cute, but yeah.